kind of feel guilty today. I went over my budget and I bought a lot of e.l.f. stuff. I know. And I just showered. I washed my hair. I'm using an earrings. So this is cool that when you open it, well, this is the things I bought. It comes like this and you rip it. It's the first time I have a box like this. So satisfying. It's so cool. Like I've seen it before, but I haven't personally, done that. Okay, let me freaking throw this. Alright, so they're cute. They send me a cute message. Alright, and then you open it. Wow, they actually pack their stuff good so it doesn't fall or break. Oh, and then they put plastic. Dang, that's big. Okay, that's a lot. Wow. So there's no freaking space. Sorry, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So the first thing is, I don't know, let me see. Oh, it's an bite-size eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade I Love Your Latte. Get it? It's cute. It's like an everyday palette. It's brown. Yeah, it has matte shades. It's very pretty. I wanted one of these for fall looks and to carry with me everywhere, because if you don't have space in your bag, this is perfect for that. So yeah. Okay, the next thing is another palette. This is 18 Hit Wonders. This one I saw like a few years ago from somebody, but I think it was on sale. Like everything that I bought, it was on sale. It was like 60% off. That's why I went crazy, and I was gonna buy the trending stuff that I've been seeing on TikTok, but everything was either sold out or not on sale. So I was like, oh well, I'm just gonna buy whatever I can find. So the things that I wanted really bad were not there or in this haul. So maybe next time, I don't know, probably not, because I got too excited. I bought a lot of things. I know, like, oh well. So I'm just gonna open it. So it's a cool rainbow palette, but it also has browns, nudes, shimmers. Like, look at, it's a perfect palette. I think this was on sale. I can't remember the price. Maybe I'll put it here. I don't know. So yeah, let me open it. Oh, it has like tape. Okay, finally I opened it. So it looks like this. I'm excited for this middle row. Like, I can do a lot of looks with this, so I shouldn't feel guilty, for going overboard, but still, I almost dug my nose. But, you gotta spoil yourself sometimes, but we are saving money, you need to get other stuff, I feel bad, so. Oh, and a lot of stuff, I got like 2-3 few stuff for free, because I signed up for e.l.f. Beauty Squad, and that's why I got everything 60% off. If you were not in the Beauty Squad, you get 30% off, so that's why I got like a lot of stuff because of the Beauty Squad that I signed up for. So anyways, I think this was free. The e.l.f. Putty Primer Gel comes with 3 different ones, a poreless one, matte, and luminous. So let's see, I've heard good reviews of their primers, putty primers, so let's see how it works, because I have dry skin. So the next is their baked highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. Oh my gosh, I can't remember when Kathleen Lights used to use this a lot, like back then, like 2014, 15, 16, I don't know. And I really wanted it at that time, but I couldn't get it, so I was like lucky to get this one. I think this was like $1. Everything was mainly $1 and something. I was shopping at Shop Missy. I was like, what the heck? So I was like, that's why I also got crazy, because drugstore prices, I think, getting high. It's like $7, $15, and you're in Walmart or CVS, like, girl, Jill, this is not Sephora, right? So that's also why I got excited. And I've been wanting this for a long time, so let's see how it looks on me. And I got another e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar. It's similar as the other one, but this one comes with shimmer shades. And I think this one I got for free as well. So I love these palettes. I love the olive green they have. I forgot the name, hot jalapeno I think. So I got excited. I was like, a free one, alright. And I'm gonna tell me twice. Okay, as I found it is this one. It's very pretty, and I got it like a year or two ago. So yeah, they have a lot of different shades. So oh yeah, I've been eyeing this one. This shades, I was like, I love periwinkle shades, blues, purples, and I got excited when I saw this one. So it's like I had to get this color. Oh my gosh, this is in the shade açaí. So I can't wait to use it once. Oh man, it's so cute. It's so little. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sleep next to it like this. All of them. Actually, I'm gonna put it on them around me. I'm gonna cuddle with them. I'm kidding, but yeah. Okay, this is exciting. And the next thing I got is this free sheet of paper. I don't know why it's right there randomly. How funny. Oh wait. It's imaginary. Y'all can't see it, but I can. It says, "You are the baddest bitch." Period. I'm kidding, but yeah. Okay, the next thing is, I don't freaking know what it says. It's empty. I mean, it's empty. It doesn't have a name or anything. What the heck? Oh, that's so strange. It's another E.l.f. bite-sized palette, but it's in the men's collection. I got excited. All their men collection and Oreo collection was on sale. I was like, girl, I had to get almost everything. I feel bad. Oh my gosh, like I got way too crazy. And I thought it was limited edition, so I didn't even remember about this collection. So I was like over it already. But then I saw it and I was like, I need it, because I love men's shades. I love this color. I just had to. Men's and blues and oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm excited for this shade, that mint. So yeah, this is in the shade chocolate mint. So, and I got another of this. Let me find it. I think it's this one. This is like a mystery box. You don't know what you're gonna get. That's cool. Okay, not Forrest Gump. That reminded me of the quote. Anyways, so this is another one. This one's so pretty too. And this one comes with the green shimmer, white shimmer, mint, a lighter mint. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, it's right in front of me. Like they're similar, but they're not quite. I think I'm gonna use this one more. I don't know. Both are nice. So this is in the shade meant to be. How cute, whatever. I don't care. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I think all of them I'm gonna sleep like this, like all over. Or I'm gonna this one. This is how much I like that. I'm gonna put them right here in my face, like this. And then the other one's next to my face. I'm kidding, but. I'm not even a freaking real human. I'm like that only with makeup. Man, that's obsessive. Okay, so dang, I have like 1, 2, 5 of these, and like it's so amazing because I don't have space, so this is perfect for me. Oh, and the big one is not even that big, so I need to calm down. I'm getting too excited. So the next thing is the cookies and drink beauty blend. It comes with a cone. How cool. How cute is that? I didn't know it was gonna come like this. In the website it didn't show it like this. And I love the marble pattern, and it's really cool. And this is like my favorite flavor of everything, so I just had to buy everything because it was meant for me. They made this for me. These two collections were made for me, so I just had to get it. So, and I'll be saying that so I don't feel guilty. But yeah, that is true. It's, oh my god, so cute. Look, it's so pretty. I don't even want to use this because it's gonna get ruined. Like my regular, like these, I don't care. They're all ruined. This one, I don't think I'm gonna use this one. Oh yeah, I moved the freaking. Y'all can see my pen. Like, ignore that. But look how cute is it. So it comes with a cone. Oh cool. Oh, it's just a paper. I was gonna store it like this, but I don't think I can anymore. I feel. Okay, and the next thing is their Precision liquid eyeliner. I've tried their other liquid liner. It's small, and I think it's like $1, $2, $3, I forgot. and I was on sale, but this one I think was on sale too, but I wanted to try because it looks very skinny and I love to draw on my eyelids, so I hope this works for it. If not, I'm just gonna use it for regular wing liner. So yeah, I ran out of eyeliner a lot faster than normal people because of my freaking makeup looks. Anyway, so oh yeah, this one was exciting. This is the Cookies and Dreams, just the cream putty primer. I think this one, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm just kidding, but it looks like a cookie. I didn't know it was gonna look like this. That's so exciting. It looks like an Oreo, straight up Oreo. How cool. And I hope this smells like cookies and cream. Let me smell it. Hombre, wait, seriously? It smells like something I used to smell, I think from another beauty product, I can't remember. It smells more like vanilla and a little bit of hint of Oreo. It doesn't really smell like cookies and cream Oreo, just a little bit. They tried, so I'll give them that. But it smells like something else mixed with that. It's sweet and vanilla with something else. Oh my gosh, but it's like, it looks like this. Wait, I just want to eat it. Wow, it's so cute. Oh, this is how it looks like. I just don't even want to use this because it's so cute. Like, I don't want it to go to waste. But I have to. Okay, the next thing is from the men's collection. Oh, it's their men's brush set. I love this color. I got excited, so I was like, I need to. And their eye brushes, I always use eye brushes more than face brushes. Just, you know, I just had to, you know. But also I think I got it's missing, it's not here. I remember I got the cookies and cream brush set and it's not here. They didn't give it to me. And this box is like a week or two old, so I don't think I can complain now and tell them, hey, where's my brushes? I mean, I can try, but it's missing. Not me sad now. Yeah, I ordered it because in the box it says Cookies and Dreams brush set is right here. I'm gonna take a picture and tell them. Let's see if they let me because it took too long. So. Oh well, that's my fault for not opening this quick. It's because I've been doing other unboxings and stuff that I needed to get out from other brands. So that's why, oh well, that's my fault, I guess. So the next thing is the E.l.f. Cookies and Dreams palette. I just love these blues and colors. I just had to get this one. So it's a pretty blue. Oh my god. I got excited, I know, but I wonder if this smells like Oreos too. So. Wow. Nah, I'm gonna be serious now. The next thing is No Budge eyeshadow. It's in the shade with Chill Zone. I think this is the white one. They had like a blue one. Yeah, I also got the blue one. Oh no, this is the white one. This is the blue one. And I also had to get from the mint collection as well. This is in the shade Mint For You. This is mint shade, so I had to. And then this is from the Cookies and Dream collection. It's her lip gloss in this shade Cream Cone. It's just, it straight up looks like cookies and cream. That's why I got it, just because how it looks. It looks white as like black sprinkles on it. So let's see how it looks on the lips. So. And also got a lipstick gloss from the mint collection, but this is in chocolate chip, so it's a pretty brown shade. So. That's exciting. And the rest, I think the rest is not from a collection. This is their liquid metallic eyeshadow in Aurora. I love green, so look at that green. I just had to get this. It's a like a liquid shadow, so it's a very shimmery forest green. It's really pretty color. And also, like, I love blue, so I had to get the royal blue one. So this one's from their. Is it from this? Yeah, this one's liquid glitter eyeshadow, and the other one is liquid metallic eyeshadow. So it's different, but I still love these colors. Oh, and I also had to get it in gold because, you know, for everyday basics. So that's that. Let's see. And oh yeah, and I also got it in this shade. It's like a rose gold, coppery brown. So that's that. And what is this? Oh, is this a lip plumping gloss? I hope this works because I have small little ass lips and I'm trying to get some plump into them. So this is in the shade of Pink Sugar. It's like a nude gold shimmer shade. You can barely see the reflex, but they're there. I can see it. So I wonder if they will work. So let's see. And the next is a liquid matte lipstick. Oh, this one looks crusty and dried up. This is not supposed to look like this, I don't think. This is in the shade Praline, but it's a matte liquid lipstick. It's for like an everyday fall shade. So, and of course I had to get like a berry red one. Or this is, oh no, it's a red Vixen. So yeah. And I also got like a berry pink one. Why is this dirty? It's in the shade Berry Sorbet. So yeah, and what else? Oh, an E.l.f. brow pencil. I need a brow pencil, so I ran out of brow pencils quickly. So this is in the shade deep brown. I think it's their darkest shade they have. So let's see if it works. And the last two things I got for free, it's their E.l.f. skin line. It's in their, this is their moisturizer, and the other is their cleanser. So, and that's all I have, because they didn't give me everything, but so see. So yeah, I hope y'all like this unboxing. So I have to leave and figure this out. I hope this freaking gets resolved. If not, then oh well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.